Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset a Xiaomi Vacuum Mop. So, you might need to do this if you change your Wi-Fi settings and this cannot connect to the network anymore, or if you bought a second-hand unit like I bought this one here, which has just a few tiny scuffs on it, but otherwise in perfect working order, and it was much cheaper. So now I need to connect it to my account and my network, and for this open the cover and we have a tiny reset right there, and we can press it either with a dedicated SIM eject tool or from a paper clip. You can partially unbend it and press it.
Restoring to factory settings.
And it's reset. And at this point you can basically search it in the app and you can connect to it. Wi-Fi is now blinking slowly, not like it was fast blinking before. It told me turning on. I'm closing the cover and I will enter the app to connect to it. So I went into the app, clicked on plus to add a device, and as you can see it here, it already saw it. So now it will connect basically to my network. Next, connect, and wait for it to do its thing.
The phone and I were connected. Please return to the app to wait for the setup to complete.
And yeah, wait for the setup to complete in the app. Chinglish. And it's connected to the network and to my account, and it's asking me in which room it will reside. Actually, it's home base, it's charging station. So I will select that one, my office. Next, its name, I gave it a name, agree, yes, make sure you arrange everything for it to be able to do its thing, yes, these are the dimensions for the base station. Truth be told, on the sides I'm not keeping as much as it shows here, and it's just fine. Yes, it needs to be well lit because this uses a camera for navigation, and it will save the map, but it's an experimental feature, so it has a few really small bugs, but 99% of the time it works really well with the saved map. And update firmware. Update now. Oh, while not charging. Okay. I think I will tell it to go home and then be back to this. Let's tell it to find its base station, make sure it's in the same room and in range for the first time at least.
Returning to the dock to charge.
Should try to go there, but we'll see if it actually finds it.
Charging.
Perfect. Now let's update the firmware. And hit try again.
I'm updating. It will take me about 5 minutes.
Whoa, 5
Do not
minutes.
turn me off, nor start a cleaning task.
Okay. And the LEDs on it flicker white and orange. So we will let it do its thing, but it's going way quicker than 5 minutes. At least it seems. We'll see. And it's done. So now, for me, it's always on turbo. Yeah, I don't care about the noise. I don't do this at night. It will shorten battery life. I don't care about that. I want this to take all the dust and debris. So it's always running on turbo. Start cleanup.
I'm starting the cleanup.
And That's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, I need to run away, and see you in the next one. Bye.